Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about the Venn diagrams on the set theory. If anyone want to cover the basic understanding of the set theory, then they can go to the my basic understanding of the set theory video that is provided in the comment section, description section. So we'll start about the Venn diagrams. So what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is something that it's a visual way of understanding the set. To start with the Venn diagram, we need to understand what is a universal set. Universal set is denoted by U. It contains all the elements of other set including its own elements. Now with this concept, we'd like to understand what is the union and intersection of the two sets. So as you know, union of the two set is the set that contain either element from the first set or the second set. Here A union B is denoted by the green highlighted area of the both the set. Now similarly for the A intersection B is the common part of A and B. Okay, so you can see the common highlighted part is highlighted in green, that is the A intersection B. Okay, now we'll understand what is the complement of set A. Complement of the set A is something will have all the element which does not belongs to A. Here you can see A is a set and every other element apart from A, which is highlighted in green, is the A complement. Now what is subset of concept? So subset is that set, here B is called a subset of A if we can say that every element of B is inside of A. Here you can see the B set is totally inside of set A. Then here you can say that it is a proper subset. Now if B and A are both equal, then you can mention that it's not a proper subset, it's an equal subset. Now next is that A minus B. A minus B have all the element which belongs to A but it not belongs to B. Here you can see the green highlighted area in the third figure contain all the element in A but which are not belongs to B. Okay, now here we'll understand what is the A union B complement. Now A union B is something that contain all the element which belongs to A and B. Now if you can make it a complement, then the green highlighted area which have all the element which doesn't belongs to either A or B. Similarly, for A intersection B complement is all the element which does not belongs to A intersection B. Now as you can see, A intersection B is a white area in the second figure and the green area is the complement part. Okay, now as we understood all the concept of the Venn diagram, now we'll try to understand when we try to resolve a problem in set theory using the Venn diagram. Now what is the problem statement? In a class of 100 students, it is mentioned that 55 students registered for the math Olympiad test, 45 students registered for the science Olympiad test, and 30 students registered for both math and science Olympiad test. Now the question is, how many students registered only in math test, how many students registered only in science test, and how many students not registered any test. Now we'll first try to draw the Venn diagram for the problem. Now you can see here the rectangular section contain all the student. So the rectangular set is the all the student, that means it has the count of 100. Now we have drawn two circles, one for the math and one for the science. Now math and science intersection, that is the section which contain all the math and all the students who register for both math and science. So the green highlighted area, that is a common intersection, is the 30 number. Count is 30. Now we know 55 students registered for the math Olympiad test. Now out of 55, 30 students are common. So remaining 25 is only for the math student. Similarly, 45 students registered for the science. Out of 45, we have 30. Out of 30 students is both math and science. So remaining 15 is only for the science. So now we have understood 25 is only math student registered, 15 is only science student registered, and 30 is the common. So here, if we consider A is a set of student for the math test, the cardinality of A is 55 as per the question. B is a set of all students registered in test, so cardinality of B is 45. So and A intersection B cardinality is 30. That is the 30 student registered for the both test. Now from the figure we have understood what is the A union B. A union B is nothing but the 25 student only for math, 30 that is the both, and the 15 that is for the science. So A union B cardinality is 70. Now how many students register for the only math, that is 25. How many students registered only for the science, that is 15. And how many students register for any test, that is the any that will get A union B complement. So A union B complement is 100 minus 70, that is 30. So 30 student is not registered of any test. So we'll take a pause over here. So this will end up the basic concept of the Venn diagram and uh, a sample problem how to resolve using the Venn diagram. Thank you so much.